there from Bug Eye Guys. Today we're out driving around in a 1966 MGB GT, which in my opinion, this is the best MG to have. Now I know a lot of people like the convertibles, everybody wants a fun summer sports car, but I'm a big fan of shade and this hardtop is the car for me. This one doesn't have overdrive. It's one downfall in my humble opinion, but we can add that. There is a switch there, it's just a placeholder. But this particular car is so special because I think it's really an underrated car. It's inexpensive for what it is. It's just so striking and stunning when you see it. I know this because I have a green one that's a 67. This is a 66, but they're the same basic car. And people love this thing. I mean, it's a knockout car, and it's stiffer with the hard top. It's more weatherproof. You get the shade, as I mentioned. You have a hatchback, so you can put in a lot of groceries. I've even taken the wheels off my bicycle and put it in the back. So I am just in love with this particular car. It happens to be one of my favorite cars of the era. And with the metal dash and the stronger 1800 engine and the twin carbs, it's like a 90 horsepower engine thereabouts. It's a quick car and a lot of fun to drive and own. This particular example is a car that belonged to a friend of mine for a very long time. It kind of needs a paint job. On the other hand, it's kind of the perfect weathered patina finish. It looks really nice. There were rocker panel and fender bottom replacement patches put in, but they haven't been painted, they've just been primed. So it's kind of raw in terms of the underside, but the floors are solid and the structure is excellent and the car is really a delight to drive. So the person who buys this car is going to be someone who just wants a fantastic driver and enjoys the shape and isn't as fussy about the finish. We've spent quite a bit of time and money for the prior owner last year, and we upgraded all of the mechanicals. We put in all new hydraulic parts, new rubber parts, hoses, brake hoses, coolant hoses, oil cooler hoses. So the car has been refreshed and is pretty much ready to go anywhere. We also put on brand new wire wheels. They are 15-inch wire wheels, which gives you, I think, a much nicer ride quality. It makes the car a little bit more plush, a little bit taller, and I think it's a great upgrade. It's the wheel size that would have come on an MG GT, the 6-cylinder equivalent to this car. So there is reference for that, and I much prefer those 15s to the 14-inch wheels that came on the car. The other thing we did for this car, which I think was a wonderful upgrade, is we completely gutted the interior. We put in all new carpet, leather seat covers, all new seat parts, foams and diaphragms, and it's a stunning interior. The dashboard is the original crinkle finish metal dash, and I'm in love with these cars, so I am very biased. I think this is a special example, and anybody who wants a driver, this is a really good one to consider, and we have it for sale at Bug Eye Guys.